territory is so remote that even the sight of a lone jarhead is considered more of a novelty.
Look at all the water. They're gonna get drowned out. The tenters. See? And the fire's still not out. They're still all over there. Oh, trouble in tent world. The tenters are going homeless, people. Look, they're gonna float away. That's why you don't want to live in a house without a foundation and walls and a ceiling. That is hysterical. Flood on the block, flood on the block. Unfortunately, it's the wrong side. Oh yeah, they're gonna get their needles out of the fucking drain, man. People think they're safe, but we don't know yet. We don't know if we're gonna be flooded out. But that's what's happening. Tenters are affected by the fire. That is all water. Look at them wade in the water. Yeah. Move your tents. Oh my God. Look at them. They're squeezing in their tent going, oh, what the hell's happening? Oh, you got water.